Good evening to each and everyone. Thank you for coming. I'm not taking much time. I have been in this industry for the last 47 years. Napateri Vashma na in the industry. I'm standing in front of you as I want to tell you something new. That this is my debut directorial film called Barus. It's a 3D film. It just happened. So Narapir Kekam Mohanlal, why are so late to direct a film? I had never ever planned to direct a film, but it happened. Sometimes in your life things will happen unknowingly. But this film, after 40 years, nobody has tried to make a 3D film. So I'm the chosen one to do that. Anyway, I'll talk about the film. This is genre-wise, it's a fantasy adventure. I have to go through this because of some technical terms. And we call it as some ratio that, okay, I'm not discussing. Rajiv Kumar is, of course, a right hand. Our supervision in the Padam Panirke. And thanks to Rajiv Kumar for everything, every moment. Because, like he said, because last minute work. Because we want to bring the film without any flaw. ஒரு ஃப்ரேம் கூட வில் நாட் ஹேவ் எ ப்ராப்ளம் அது மாதிரி பண்ணியிருக்கேன். பட் வி ஹேவ் கிவன் த ஹார்ட் அண்ட் சோல் டு திஸ் ஃபிலிம். அண்ட் another thing, we have a fully animated character சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இட்ஸ் அ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஐ திங்க் இன் இந்தியா ஒரு டோட்டல் அனிமேட்டட் கேரக்டரும் ஒரு நார்மல் கேரக்டரும் கூட த்ரூ அவுட் த ஃபிலிம் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறது. அண்ட் இட் வாஸ் அ சேலஞ்ச் ஃபார் த அனிமேட்டர் to bring out an animated character. We call him as Udu. So he was telling ஒரு ஆக்டர் கூட வேற அனிமேட்டட் கேரக்டரை வச்சுட்டு அவருடைய இமோஷன்ஸ் பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இட்ஸ் அ பிக் சேலஞ்ச். ஸோ நமக்கு ஒரு அனிமேட்டரை கிட்டி இஸ் அகெயின் மலையாளி பட் ஹீ செட்டில்ட் இன் பாம்பே. We tried with some Thailand people also. We had a lot of work, research on that. Then we got a person, then avare which they'll act panni, we capture his emotions. Then we put into his name is JB, so he avare animate panni, then adukku tharanda madiri sound koduthu. That it is not an easy job because adoru cartoon madiri varakodadu. When you watch the film, it will be part of the film, you will love him. Then we have a fully animated underwater song. Nobody has tried it so far in India. With the girl, Isa and myself, but I'm not revealing. We took normally 5-6 months time, but we shrink panni, we did it in 6 weeks because more than 2,000 missions work for that. So 3 days back I released that song, 1 minute in Dubai. Adu or aquarium irke Dubai Mall le. That aquarium has got the biggest LED screen in the world. So we had the luck of releasing that 1 minute. 3 minutes it take a long time and it should be in 3D, but they released that 1 minute in 2D and it very well appreciated song. This is, you come to the theatre, you ask people to come to the theatre with an open heart and soul to enter into the magic world of Barus and feel the experience. Definitely the child in you will say, okay, it's a good film. We tried our best and rest is not in our hands. This is something new. அப்போ எப்படியும் something new try பண்ணுறதுக்கு எனக்கு ஒரு ஆசை இருக்கு. And I think it has, my Tamil is not that good, okay, but I think you got the meaning. So we have committed something to you and we have worked with full heart and soul. And now let it turn to be very good, like other treasure. This is a treasure for us. Illa adu guard pannittu dhaan irukke. 25th ku naanga we'll just give it to the people. So now let them enjoy and thank you each and everyone for coming.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடனும் துல்லியமாகவும் தெரிந்து கொள்ள சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.